Look at this thing. It is so small. It's crazy. What's up guys? It's Mike, back from the Dawson Project, here with another video. I hope everyone's having a great day, morning, evening, night, whenever it is. If you guys are new to the channel, I like to do tech unboxings, shoe unboxings, and a little bit of vlogging. So today we are going to be unboxing the Homepod Mini. So before we get started, full disclosure, I've already unboxed this thing. I hated what I recorded, so I decided to scrap it, and now I'm going to try something a little bit different. But with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first up, we're going to take a look at this box, and it's crazy small. I love it, but it is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. But first up, on this side and this side, you get the side of the HomePod with the top of the HomePod on top, and then I absolutely love how they included color on the Mini, and it does say HomePod very subtly right there, but I do really like this design, and the colors follow suit with the top of it. And overall, I think it's a good box, and I do like that it's a matte black finish. I believe if you get the white one, then it's going to be a white box with this, but this matches the other HomePod, which you might be able to see somewhere back there. I don't know, I can't even point to it. So now we're going to take a look at what comes inside of this box. So first up in the box, you do get paperwork, just a very tiny bit, and you do get the inclusion of a single little Apple sticker right there. Next up, it's crazy, but you do get a 20-watt power brick, which unlike the phones, the HomePod Minis come with, which is pretty nice. So if you want to fast charge your phone, if you own one of the HomePods, you can unplug it and plug your phone right into it and get fast charging. And then the last thing that comes in the box is the HomePod Mini itself, and it is tiny. Look at that thing. So looking over the HomePod itself, it is made up of the same fabric material as the original, its bigger brother, with also the braided cable right there. And then the only difference though is instead of just a normal wall outlet or AC plug right here, it's a USB-C, so you do have to plug it into two separate things, which can be a little bit of a hassle depending on where you're planning on putting this thing. Putting it behind a bookshelf might be a little bit harder, but where I have it, it's not too bad. I have enough room where I'm storing it or putting it right now. I do plan to do a little thoughts and impressions because I haven't gotten to use this that much. I've still mainly used the big one for the TV right now, and I plan to use this more for maybe music. I will come back hopefully within the next week or so with another video giving my actual first thoughts and impressions on the thing. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.